at Cult Unbound really knew how to keep their hydration game strong. But do your next door gym bros know their hydration? Let's put it to test. Welcome to Hydration Hacks, where you gotta sip, flip, and spit some facts. We have our cult members with us today. Did any of you participate in Cult Unbound?
I did.
And did you use Liquid IV there?
Yes, I did before the game could start.
Yeah?
And it really helped me to hydrate myself so that I did not get any kind of cramps or, catches in the challenge that I had taken
During the
part.
workout,
So, it did definitely help me a lot throughout the training that I went through.
Superb. That's amazing. Okay, so let's get straight into it. I have a game for you today.
Okay?
Wait, and a little bit of a surprise.
Make sure the game is easy, yeah?
Never.
You don't make us do another Cult Unbound challenge here.
Oh, no ways. The game's rules are like this, that I'm going to ask you a question and you both have to flip the cup.
Okay?
If you get the flip cup right,
Okay?
they get to give the answer. So it's a rapid fire question that I ask you
Okay.
and one of you answers.
Sounds fun, yeah. Let's do.
Okay, so let's get straight into it. Flip the cup first and then I'll ask you the question.
Okay.
Whoever gets it.
Oh. Okay.
Hey,
It's not
both got
working.
it in
one
the
more time.
trial stage.
That's because of the help of bottles.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay, Rahul gets it right. Rahul, reminding you, you only have 15 seconds to answer this question.
Okay.
And, sorry, there is a twist in this. If you don't answer in 15 seconds, you do a burpee.
What?
Yeah,
The challenge
yeah.
was not mentioned earlier, but anyway,
You like it,
I'll take
right?
it up.
Okay.
This is Rahul.
Just because I took part in Unbound challenge now, you're giving me more and more
We know you
challenges.
can do it.
Let's go, yeah.
Okay, so the first question is, 3 things Liquid IV has that water doesn't.
Electrolytes, salt, and your vitamins.
Oh, so he does a burpee, right? Okay,
What? No!
go.
Okay.
Next question.
Yeah.
And both of you have to flip the cup together one more time.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. It's not
Rahul
happening.
answers, or does another burpee again.
Okay. I hope I'll get it right this time.
Okay. Name 3 times when Liquid IV hits different.
Post dance fitness session and training in the 40-degree summer.
Okay?
Yeah. And then maybe after having a late night, maybe that will help you in terms of liquid IV hydration.
Yeah, before you get that hangover. That's
Yeah, right. So it helps you to recover better for the next day morning.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's go. That's right.
Yay! I didn't have to do the burpee this time.
Okay, one more time. On
Yeah.
to the next question.
Yes.
Suchi, come on. You got this. Now your turn.
Ooh, she did
Yo.
get it. She did get it. Okay. Pretty straightforward. I think you're going to get it. 3 words to describe Liquid IV.
Refreshing, tasteful, hydrating.
Love it. Yes, she got it right. No.
Wow.
Rahul, 1 burpee. Suchi, 0 burpees so far.
Okay, but I got 2 questions. Like I got this right.
We're also counting the burpees.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Next one.
Okay.
Yeah, if you want another one.
Oh, no.
Whoa, Suchi,
Go,
come on, let's go.
Suchi, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Your Liquid IV alter ego, acai berry, lemon lime, or Brazilian orange. Who are you and why?
Acai berry, because I show up late. I'm always late. Okay. Lift heavy. Leave early. Too chill to care.
I am not part of it. This is not chill.
Well, I mean, she's getting the right question.
Okay, let me get this right so that I can answer the right answers now.
Let's go. Okay.
Go ahead, Suchi.
I mean,
This side.
okay. So, what's that one thing you'd do better if you had Liquid IV right before it?
Monday morning, best small talks, sumo squats.
Oh, wow.
Wow. I know how is she getting it right.
I love that. See, there's no wrong answer here. So
Exactly.
there you go.
See, I will get there this round.
Okay, let's go again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rahul, come on, Rahul. What is this? Cult unbound कर लिया ये क्या है?
This seems more difficult, yeah, than the unbound challenge. Ah,
Almost. So close.
almost.
Whoa.
Dude. Dude.
Sushi, tell me, have you been practicing this at home?
I'm doing it for the first time.
Just like you were doing cult unbound for the first time.
Yeah, I can see that she's getting better at it in every round.
Okay, Suchi, for you.
Yeah.
If Liquid IV had a dating profile bio, what would it say? Again, no wrong answers.
Not just another thirst trap.
Shweta, you know the hack right now. Okay, I will take that. I'm sure she is leading right now. I'll try to get there.
Come on, guys, get your flips right.
Okay. This time, come on. Yo!
Manifestation. Power of manifestation. Okay, this is the last question.
Okay, I'm sure I'm gonna get this right.
Alright, so make up a fake Liquid IV flavor you wish existed.
Mint mojito.
Ooh, and why do you say that?
Mint mojito because that is something similar to the Liquid IV when you like go and order your mocktails,
Okay.
and wasabi.
Alright, that's a wrap on our rapid fire. We've had a couple of thirst traps, wasabi dreams, and some tragic cup flips.
Yes, that was so much fun.
But what did you guys think about it? Did you like it?
Of course we did. Yeah,
we
it was
loved
like
it.
a fun challenge, and also a question that you asked was something related to hydration, which is where we enjoyed throughout.
Yep, superb. But there can only be one hydration hero. Any guesses?
Hydration is the key, and that's Liquid IV.
Yes.
Here, Suchi, you win this. Here, I win the challenge. I win the burpee, but you win the Liquid IV.
Yes.
Very hydrated, very demure. It's
Yeah, I mean
written
she
right
deserves
there.
it because she got almost all the flips right. So
Awesome. I love it, guys. Thank you.